Hi guys, welcome to the next part of the log file parser project. So in the previous two parts, we had seen two functions, specifically generate log and view logs. So in this particular function, the task is to update the filter logs by level function to achieve the following. What all should we achieve? Accept user input for the log level. We have to ask the user to enter one of the log level, either info, warning or error. Convert the user input into uppercase so we don't have any confusions in afterwards later. Then we have to check if the input is invalid. If it is invalid, then we say invalid log. If it is valid, then we print only that particular all the logs with that particular whatever is the level. All right, so let's see the code. We have to see this particular function, that is filter log by level. So here first is this prompting the user to enter the level, that is either info, warning or error. Then user enters. We have a string to store that level. Then the user enters the level, so we take that level. Now after we have to transform it into upper character. So we take from the beginning till the end. We convert that into upper character. So everything whatever the user has entered is now in upper cases. So we don't have any confusions in going forward. So then we have the boolean valid called false. Initially the valid is false. Initially we'll assume it is not valid. The user has entered not a valid this thing. Now we iterate through each and every log levels. So these are the three log levels we have. So we iterate through each and every log levels, and then we try to match the whatever the user has entered with that level. If it is true, then we convert valid into true, saying okay, this is found. If the user has entered info, okay, the info is existing, it is valid, it is found. Then we break it. If it is not valid, we say invalid log level. Now after that, we open that file in read-only mode. We have again similarly we have line and the string line and the vector filtered logs. So now here we read each and every line by line we start reading. If we find that particular level, whatever the user has entered, if we find that particular level, then we push it to the filtered logs section. If it is not found, then we say it is not found, NPOS, meaning it is not found, not present. Then we close the file. Now we see if the filtered logs is not empty. If it is empty, then we say no logs found. If it is not empty, then we start printing saying whatever the level is, logs of this particular level. Then we iterate each and every filtered logs, whatever the vector filtered logs we had, we start iterating each and every filtered logs, and then we start printing we see out the filtered logs. So I'll run the program. This much was this in this particular program. So I'll first enter the new log, 2 logs. Okay. So then now I have to enter the log by keyword. I'll search info. So info, we have one log, that is info log saying network timeout at 15:43. We had a network timeout issue. So that is the log present here. So let me submit the program. This is properly working. So yeah, the test cases have passed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.